priority corridors, which really links with what Brian just talked about. Of course, we have the 11 corridors. We have 3 state, 3 county, and 5 city corridors. It equals over about 20 miles, and it captures 10% of our total KSIs just by doing 20 miles of improvements. Each of our corridor reports has 4 chapters, and so I just kind of listed the table appendix here. These were just submitted in June as draft, and so we're kind of currently in review and revision, hoping to finalize next month. So chapter 1 is really like kind of why are we doing this project? Number 2 is really what's the existing conditions and analysis. Chapter 3 is a summary of all the stakeholder coordination that we did, both public meetings, road safety audit, and the stakeholder coordination with our cities and county and state. And then chapter 4 is really the meat of it, is kind of what we propose. And it goes through all the proposed improvements, a cost estimate of that, the BCA that we just talked about, and kind of how we can tee it up for next steps. Taft Street is next in the city of Hollywood. The project limits are 70th Terrace to US 441. This one has 23 safety countermeasures proposed, 12 corridor, 11 intersection. This one, we had entertained a lane repurposing and then met with the politicians, and they were kind of on the fence to move forward on that. We had like some for, some against. So we kept the 4 lanes to proceed in the corridor report. So really about slowing speeds, adding medians was a big push from the city because access management was kind of a mess here with the commercial on the north. And then aligning our crosswalks with our bus infrastructure and then raising those crosswalks. So trying to create space for pedestrians to cross safely. This area has a lot of like working class families, and then you've got all the commercial on the north, and then you've got schools on the south. So a lot of people wanting to be able to just walk across the street instead of having to drive. So that was the need that we heard at the public meetings. Oh, and here's our typical section. So the top is the proposed 4-lane, and then I snuck in the 2-lane scenario. Sorry, Rick.